පොඩි කාලේ කක්ක දාලා ඉවරුනහම මොකද්ද බලමු. අම්මේ දැන් ඉන්න පොඩි අයගේ ඉංග්‍රීසි දැනුම අපි බලමු. චූටි කෙල්ලෙක් කතා කරනවා.
I don't have any words to explain. The most only thing what I just want to tell you is that each and every player who played today, the playing 11, contributed their best. What credit I just want to give is one of the player that goes to Dipti Sharma and Shafali Van.
My father is a minor role
Pudi
model, my
kaale.
hero. My father is a very hard worker. My father is my hero. She is my mother. My mother is a homemaker. Homemaker, my mother.
අවුලක් නෑ. කොහොමද ඉගෙන ගනීනේ. කොහොම හරි ඉගෙන ගනී.